In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 different ways you can increase your profit and revenue streams in your detailing business, or you could actually take each one of these ideas and start your own business separately if you want to do. But in this case, as a professional mobile detailer for the last, 18 years or so, I'm going to be talking about these as an add-on service or another way to increase your revenue without actually doing the work yourself. Now, before we get into these 5 other revenue streams, we got to talk about the first thing, the most important part about this and how to grow it immediately is going to be your customer database. Now, there's lots of ways to manage your customer database. For me, I use an app called Pocketsuite. It's super easy to upload all of your customers' information, accept payments, accept tips, and also be able to easily reach back out to them. And that's where I'm talking about this, right? You have your customer base. You want to add in some services. Well, now you have your entire database within Pocketsuite. You can send out automated messages to communicate with all of your customers and let them know that you have these new services to add. Now, with all of these services, like I said previously, you can do them yourself and maximize your profits, or you can hire on and bring in subcontractors to do the work. Just look into your local area and start building a network yourself of other service providers that are in that car detailing realm. For me personally, I have guys that do specifically windshield repair, paintless dent repair, wheel repair, and then I also have a guy that does paint touch-up. I do some of that myself, depending on the situation, but that's always a good one. Paint touch-up and bumper repair kind of go in that same realm. And the last one is something that I do myself. This is an add-on service, and it's actually just adding a protective barrier like you have on your cell phone, right? The screen protectors. Well, they have the same thing for car interiors, especially, all the screens. Every vehicle has a screen now, especially the Teslas and all these things. My wife has a Kia Telluride. That thing's got a giant screen and then another little screen. So having those protected and then also preventing any smudges on them and reducing glare is a huge upsell, right? Everyone wants that, especially with the plastic on some other vehicles. You wipe them and they scratch. It's like that piano black interior, and you want to protect that stuff. So it's an easy upsell to customers and very easy way to maximize your profits. Now, I touched on all the services. We're going to be talking about windshield repair, paintless dent repair, wheel repair, touch-up and bumper repair, and then again this add-on service of the protection on your screens. Now, you can take the time to invest some money and learn these trades yourself, buy all the equipment, or like I said, you just subcontract it out and make it very simple. Now, as a detailer, I'm out servicing cars, either just doing a once-off detail or doing maintenance programs for the customer's vehicle while I'm seeing them once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month, and that's where this comes in and why it works so well. I'm the first point of contact for these type of services. I'm there constantly cleaning the vehicle. I'm doing a vehicle and I see, hey, you actually have a door ding. You went grocery shopping, cart bumped into your car. There's a door ding now. Would you like us to fix that? I can have one of my guys come out. We can get that scheduled for you and get this taken care of. Now, because of my little network of services that I've built up, I'm able to share the profits with these other service providers. I typically do a 20% referral fee. So if the job's $100, I make $20. And the same thing goes for them. A lot of times these guys have their own database of customers and they do the same thing. If they need a detail, they sub it out to me, they take 20%, everyone's happy, everyone's working, everyone's making money. I'm able to control the whole transaction through Pocketsuite. I'm able to do the billing myself. It's really easy. I'll just have the service provider go out to the house. I will bill it through Pocketsuite directly to the customer, and then I'll take my 20% out of that, and then I will pay the service provider from those profits. So again, no money out of pocket to me. Money comes in and then I pay the service provider. So really quickly, let's jump into these 5 different little service categories, because then you can really decide if it's something that you want to take the time to train, buy the equipment and do yourself, or if you're like me and just sub this out to other service providers. Number 1, windshield repair, and this is a relatively easy one that you could do by yourself. Buying a kit's not super expensive, but I will say, for me, I was learning it and I was doing it, and it just turned out where it's, again, I found a really great service provider. We became really good friends, and it's easier just to sub it out to him. But basically, everyone's driving on the freeway nowadays. There's always constantly rock trucks and things like that, things that are getting thrown up in the air and chipping your windshield. Most of the time, what you're seeing in a rock chip where it's really exposed is typically air within the glass. And so when we're refilling the resin, that's filling up the air. We're pushing the air out. It's a suction and then injection of the resins, and it makes it disappear. You'll still be able to see a little bit of it, but it's way better, and it's not going to continually spread out. If a hot day, sometimes it'll start to spread out more. You hit a big bump, it'll spread out more. This is going to preserve the glass and make it look good. Now, number 2 is paintless dent repair, and guys, this is a huge profit center. I will tell you that right now. Now, this is a harder one to learn, much, much harder. This is an absolute art, and basically you're taking a bent piece of metal and straightening it just by pushing it with some metal rods from behind. Typically, sometimes you can do a pull system and then knock it back down, but it's very, very, very hard to learn and make look really, really good. I have a guy that I've been working with. He's been doing this for 30 years now, and he's one of those guys, man, you have a door ding or a substantial dent that just doesn't need any paint. He can pull it out, and then you're looking for it, and you cannot see it. It's absolutely amazing. So for this one, I would recommend just finding a good service provider because it is so hard to learn. Find someone that's really good at it. Join their network, right? They make some money from you, you make some money from them, and everyone's happy, especially your customer, because now all they have to do, if they have any issue that comes up, they contact you and your business, and then you deal with the rest of it. Number 3, wheel repair, and this is another one that's a little bit back and forth for me. There are easier ways to do this, especially on basic alloy wheels. There's not a ton of color variation. However, again, this is a situation where I wanted to learn it, but I found a good service provider. This guy is absolutely amazing and does a phenomenal job. I've seen other service providers where you can kind of see it's 100% better, but you can kind of see where the repair was. My guy, you cannot tell. It's phenomenal, phenomenal work. He's not using any fillers. They're actually grinding down the surface of the wheel, making it perfect, and then putting the color back in and making it look like nothing ever happened. So again, this one, 50-50, right? You can do it yourself, or you can hire a service provider if you want the top-notch service of this. Especially for me, I work with a lot of really high-end vehicles. I don't want to deal with it. It goes to him. He does an absolutely phenomenal job, and everyone's happy. So number 4, the paint touch-up. Yes, paint touch-up is something you can do yourself. The kits get a little bit expensive if you want to actually blend the colors and make them look perfect for the vehicle, but you can start off by picking up basic black and basic white. Right? So most blacks and whites, even if you're just doing little touch-ups, they're gonna blend in well enough where you're not gonna be able to see it. It's a touch-up, you can always see it, right? But from 5 feet back, it blends in perfectly. So start with that, right? Pick up some black and some white and go from there. Outside of that, if it's other colors, again, look for a service provider. Or what I did actually do the service myself for a while, and I used a kit from a company called Applied Colors. Very, very easy to mix up all the colors yourself. The kit runs around $2 grand though. So again, if you're just starting out, sub to work out. If you see a big residual of that type of business coming in, you may want to bring it in-house and start doing it yourself. But that is a fantastic little profit center. How many times are you detailing a car and there are some deep scratches that are through the paint you can't do anything with, right? We're working within the clear coat when we're polishing cars. And sometimes when you polish the car and make it look perfect, and then there's one little scratch that can't come out, a touch-up is a phenomenal little add-on service to provide, make a little bit more money, and makes the customer happy. And finally, number 5, like I said, guys, this interior screen protection. Now, I'm gonna put a link down in the description for you guys to a company called Screen Protect, and they actually make all these perfect digital cut protective covers for different types of cars. So very, very easy there. Now, if you're working on a lot of Teslas, those are all gonna be a very, very similar thing. You can just order those in bulk. Otherwise, it is something where it's like, this is where you contact your database within Pocketsuite. You send out a mass communication text or whatever else, and you can say, hey, we are now offering this, and if they say, yeah, I want to do that, you just schedule it out, right? You're gonna have to order the piece, schedule it out, and then go and do the service. For me, typically, I usually charge $99 to install the kit. The kits range in price depending on what they need, but yeah, 99 bucks to install the kit. Doesn't take very long, maybe 15 minutes for me typically, now that I'm better at it. But in the beginning, it's gonna take a little bit longer. I would recommend ordering some kits for yourself, for your personal vehicles, and getting to work and testing it. I'm gonna be doing a full review on that soon. So stay tuned. It may actually be the next video. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think it's a really, really cool add-on service that a lot of people are very, very interested in. It's something that they can do themselves, but again, they're gonna want it to look perfect. They'd rather pay someone to do it where they're not gonna have any bubbles or anything like that. So again, Screen Protect, I'll link it in the description so you guys can go check them out, start making money that way. So those are the 5 additional services, guys. I hope that helps you. Again, check out Pocketsuite because that is going to make all of this possible, right? If you don't have a good customer database, you're not going to be able to reach out to them and start generating business right away. If you've been keeping a good database of customers, again, that's your real money source, right? That's the bread and butter of your business, is your customer base. I've been using Pocketsuite for years now. Basically, I think I signed up with them like 6 months after they started, and they've continually grown and gotten better and better. They actually have a whole suite of services now where if you, as a mobile detailer, you can install their detailer application, and it'll kind of pre-fill stuff, and then you can go in and edit all your services and all that kind of good stuff. Fantastic, fantastic app. I can't recommend it highly enough. Again, you can do all your payments, accept tips, which is phenomenal, scheduling, and you can bill out for all these other services that other people are doing. Take your profits, you had no money out of pocket, and then pay your provider. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.